guys, girls, cats and dogs, mums and dads, whatever the else we want to say. Welcome back to the channel. We're at Offset Auto House. For any of you that didn't know, Offset Auto House, I am one of two owners. We specialise in anything automotive, mainly air suspension, coilovers, wheels, wheel accessories, car care products, things like that. So, don't know if you can see this here. We've got Kev, KW Customs. I'll throw his Instagram down here. Any of you that watch the channel know that Kev at KW Customs does the wrap jobs on the Audi R8. So he's obviously recently just done the new look of the purple. We've got his BMW M4 in. It's here to hit the deck. I wish I got down a little bit earlier, a day or so ago, because Bevy hasn't hung around with this. He's jumped straight in. The management's in and done and wired. The struts are on. 3 out of 4 height sensors are on. But I'll get in, I'll show you a little around it. I'll explain a few different things to you. And then we'll get some cool clips of this once it's done. First things first with this car. You can't actually see because of the sun, but it is very, very bright. It's highlighter yellow is what we call it. Is that what we'll call it? Highlighter yellow. So Kev has opted for all of the install to be hidden, so it'll go under his original floor. We have, oh no, the lighting's quite good. Twin compressor, so twin 444 by air compressors. 3H management, which the manifold and everything is exactly the same. The difference with H is its height sensors. I'll show you those in a moment. The floor will go over this. You won't even see it. We do have a black seamless tank that will hang and be mounted top side of the boot so that he will still have all of his boot space. Front struts are already in. Double bellow bag. Leader lines to make it an easier fit and run airlines. And then we will ask, excuse me sir, could you please lift the ramp up? No. And we'll show you the rear kit and the height sensors. So with Kev's kit, we've actually opted for the Intermotive rear arm setup. To replace the OEM arms, it just makes it a bit better. They allows them to run slightly lower pressures than the airlift kit. Airlift kit is still very good. This just gives you a bit more of a more comfortable height to ride at. These are your height sensors. So is what happens with height sensors is 3P is a pressure-based system. Still works very, very well, but that is pure air pressure from the management. As with your height sensors, it is selected by a percentage of the arm. So for example, a pressure-based system, someone gets in the back of your car, the car's naturally going to drop more. You would naturally have to put more pressure in the rear bags yourself. When you've got height sensors on it, it will recognize that it's gone lower than the percentage that it's normally at. It will automatically bump it up. It will adjust the heights if you're round different corners and things like that as well. So pressure base is really, really good. It's great while you've got it. I will be honest and take this from someone with experience that is now there. Once you've had height sensors, you probably wouldn't ever go back to pressure. So this is Kev's first time of going on 3H. So Kevin, I'm sorry. Any more cars, it's going to cost you more money because you're always going to want height sensors. So I believe we have got, or I say we, Kyle, because this I've had no input with this one, has got 3 out of the 4 height sensors mounted and done. So looms for them just need to be done. And then what are we saying, Mr. Bevy? On the floor by tomorrow?
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime tomorrow, on the floor, calibrated. Oh, are you going back on your word now?
100%.
Calibrated, make sure everything's doing what it should, and then we should be done. No, you can't. What, right now? Kevin, Kyle has a comment for you.
I think your brakes should go white.
White brakes are quite cool, I'm not going to lie. Boys, it's day 2 of when I left Kyle with Kev's car. We are back. As I said in the previous clips, I've not been able to get loads of install stuff because Kyle decided to just absolutely hammer it out and I've been at work. But it is done. I'll show you the overall. The controller, we're actually waiting for a mount that Kev's getting made, but install is very simplistic. Tank hanging from the top. Big up the cool offset stickers that actually work perfect with the OEM light. Install all underneath, nice and hidden. This is on airlift performance struts and 3P management. I lie,
3H management. There's going to be a video. We are putting height sensors on Beck's car. We're going to be doing that hopefully in the next couple of days. So I will go through the installation, talk a little bit more again about height sensors and show you how you fit them and what we're doing on the Macan. We'll get a proper good install video of that. But apart from that, let's get some cool clips of this car. And there we have it. Kev's M4 has come out absolutely sick. There is some wheels ordered for this car. They are going to look insane. I put the order in for Kev today. You're gonna have to wait until Cleanfest show, 9th and 10th of September. Kev's M4 is gonna be on the offset stand. The wheels will be on it for then. They're not going on it before. So come and get a look. Also, while we're here, Slam Sanctuary. Clothing is insane. The fit is really, really good. The quality is very high quality. BMX 10 will get you 10% off the Slam Sanctuary website. I'll put the website in the description. Let me know what you think of the video. What do you think of the M4? Give us a like, drop a comment, smash that subscribe. Peace.